everyone, welcome to Southern Delight. I am Debbie and today we are going to be doing something a little bit different. I'm going to share with you two separate clips that I have put together. The first one, I'm going to give you a tour of a cabin that we just stayed in Gatlinburg, Tennessee. And I want to show you where I got my inspiration from to do the video that I downloaded for you guys to watch called The Cozy Christmas Cabin. That's where I took my living room and I turned it into a cozy Christmas cabin, or I did my take on one. And I just want to show you where I got that inspiration from. So if you will, just go ahead and watch these clips and leave me some comments below, because I'd love to hear from you and hear what you think, because I'm new at this. And if you got some tricks or some suggestions for me, if you'll go ahead and put those in the comments below. And if you'd like to continue watching me, just click on that subscribe button. But here we go. Yet I want to show you the little cabin that we just stayed at here in Sevierville, and show you where we got some of our inspiration from. This is our cozy Christmas cabin. We just came up here about a week before Thanksgiving, and we want to give you a sneak peek of what we experienced here. Come on in. Inspiration for my cozy cabin Christmas. Well, guys, here it is. This is where we vacationed to in Sevierville, Tennessee, on this little cozy cabin.
And it was so much fun!
Hey, my baby. We had a good time, didn't we? Even Chloe did. It was awesome. We got to see snow, but it was absolutely beautiful up here in the mountains. This is the master bedroom. Such a cozy, nice cabin with a hot tub. Really nice, really nice. We enjoyed our stay. Beautiful ceilings. We've seen the stars. Breathtaking. It is absolutely beautiful. I want y'all to see. There's the needle. My take on a cozy cottage Christmas.